Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create a new Apple ID in your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your home screen or in your app library, and then just find settings and go there. And now you'll see this option over here that says sign into your iPhone. So just tap on it, and now just go to don't have an Apple ID. Just tap on agree and continue. And now write down your name and your date of birth. Just keep your birth date, and now write down your email. This will be your new Apple ID. If you already have an old Apple ID, then you need to choose a new email address because it would not work with the old email address, since it would be the same Apple ID and you would not be able to create a new one. So choose a different one, tap on continue. And if you want the announcements, like if you want to receive Apple emails and communications, including announcements, marketing, recommendations, and updates about Apple products, services, and software, then turn this on. Or if not, you can just turn this off and tap on continue. And after that, you'll be successfully be able to create a new Apple ID. So guys, that's how you create a new Apple ID in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please give us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.